3, 2, 1.
So, leaning, barbell, straight hand, overhead tricep extensions. Just the yellow band connected to the barbell. Same kind of loop system. Same kind of loop system. We would have our hands on the inside of the loops to make sure that they don't go too close together, but also I want my hands to be closer together, my elbows to be closer together so that they don't end up flaring out and becoming some sort of an overhead shoulder press. I'm trying to keep this relatively stretched, so we will get into a stretched out position so that from the beginning of the movement, we've got resistance. Let's just mark our place. Dismount. 15, not bad. Carry on my wayward soul. All this is when you walked on. Done. Ready. Place. $15. Nobody really out on the streets today. Still a bank holiday, still a religious holiday, still a public holiday. Everybody's having some downtime. Good for me. Barely made that one. Not really pumped up at all today. Could be the weather. Could be still a little lazy from yesterday's rest day. Hope Hope it clears out. One more. Good morning. Happy Easter. That's 12, 15, 15, 15, 12. First time doing this variant of stretched out band overhead extension. So we're done here, so we can remove the anchor from the bench, because we won't be coming back here for anything else during the workout. Now your life's no longer empty. Surely heaven waits for you. Next up, barbell pill. No, twist pill.